team is still searching for its identity. Considering how they battled through this game, especially with rain or shine closing in on multiple occasions, and given your top position this conference, what does this performance reveal about the team's growth and potential as they progress?
Well, at least we know that we can battle, as you said, especially when the games count. We don't lose faith, we don't lose hope. We're always there, even if the chances are very slim. We give ourselves a shot all the time. So if we can translate that all consistently in our games and in our practices, then we'll be all right.
Robert, you were not only able to create opportunities para kay Mike, but also you took it upon yourself na mag-step up and make big plays para makuha ng panalo na ito. Ano yung naging mindset at approach mo coming into this game, lalo na alam mo malaking nakataya?
Yun nga, bago yung start ng game, sabi ni Coach, wala nang bukas eh. So, wala, nakapokus lang talaga kami this game. And alam namin, yung team na sa kabila, desperado rin sila eh. So, mas desperado rin kami pag santalo wala na kami. So at least may chance ulit kami. May game kami next. Malakas din kalaban namin. So ganoon din situation namin ngayon. Must win din kami para at least nandun kami sa 8 or 7 spot.
Thank you, Robert. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Si Mike, team foul din, si Rino siya yung mga goal lang. Guys, sila din, si Cyrus Torres at si Berto were hitting tee shots para hindi.
Yeah, they held the fort. Yung local held the fort. In fact, nag-lead pa nga sila ng 10 points yata, if I'm not mistaken. So they held the fort very well. Na pwedeng bumaliktad yung laro eh. Pwede sila yung lumamang eh. Pero because they played very well, they defended well, they made shots. So, we were able to hang on. Gumahabol na kasi yung rain or shine ng time na yun eh. And we were able to hang on. Yun ang importante doon na maski walang import namin, still they still worked hard and found a way to get that lead.
Pero this win, binabulo palalo yung race sa katitirang 2 spots sa quarterfinals.
Yun nga. Wala yung mga talo namin last year, dapat panalo na kami, hindi namin na-close. Nabigyan kami ng opportunity, may hope na kapasok kami. Siyempre, sabi nga ni Coach, paminsan-minsan lang mangyari yun. So, grab na namin yung opportunity. So, itong game na to, do or die na talaga kami. Pag natalo kami, wala na talaga. So, yun, nakapokus kami. Kahit fall trouble yung import namin, nagsama-sama parang kami. And siyempre, shoutout sa mga teammates ko. Nag-step up ng fourth, Cyrus, Kevin, Tony makes big shots. Si Mox, and yun yung kailangan namin umangat, yung contribution namin lahat. So, masaya ako para sa kanila and sana tuloy-tuloy rin yung success nila para mas maging maganda yung team namin.
Eastern mo, Berto, anong mo doon sa game?
Yun nga, international coach, international play, and good test sa amin to kasi parang kanto rin sila maglaro, mabilis, up-tempo, malaki yung import nila. So, focus na kami next and sana manalo ulit kami para medyo magulo ulit yung playoffs. So.
Coach, nabanggit mo last game kasi collective effort na kayo win your last time. Ngayon ganun ulit eh.
Yes, if we can become consistent. Yan nga, yung scoring, lima yata kaming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double figures. So nakakapulot kami ng puntos sa mga ibang players. So sabi nga ni Berto, nag-step up sila offensively and defensively. So nakaka-contribute lahat. Hindi siya na-isolate kay Mike at saka kay Berto. So magandang, if they can become consistent, then it's a good sign.
Coach, Eastern very quality team nasa 4, but yung mga times na na-pwede sila matalo. What do you see about that team?
Well, sabi ko nga kina Nudge kanina na hindi kami pwede mag-isip na ng bukas eh. Ang iniisip namin is always today muna. Hindi kami pwede mag-isip ng advance. Wala kaming sayang yung advance kung hindi namin maayos yung today. So ngayon, today na ayos, bukas na lang yun sa Easter. Bukas na lang.
Thank you, everyone. That ends our post-game press conference.